Imagine wearing shoe without cloth, or you have a tie without cloth. Just imagine that. That is how your videos looks like if you don't insert end screen and cards to your videos. This is the only way YouTube can recommend your other videos to your viewers, and it will help you get subscribers, watch time, and viewers retention. So end screen is very important in your videos. It helps your videos to get more watch hour, subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your end screen and cards, and also playlist to your videos. So end cards are those video suggestion that YouTube shows to your video when your video is about to end. YouTube can suggest other people's video in your video, but it is now left for you to add this end screen so that YouTube will recommend your videos to your audience when your video is about to end, so that they can still keep watching more of your videos, and YouTube will keep recommending your videos to them. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add end screen and cards to your videos. So I will be teaching you with a screen record. So, and if my screen record is not that bright, you can comment in this in the comment section so that I will switch into the alternatives that I have. So now let's dive into the tutorial without wasting our time. Let's go. So now let's go to my YouTube channel for us to add our end screen and cast to our videos. Now remember, before you can have access to all these settings, you have to switch your browser to desktop mode. Now let's go. So in here, I'm in my channel. This is my YouTube channel. This is the home page. So now this is how to customize, or this is how to add a end screen to your video. Now let's go. First of all, you have to click on where you will see your videos, that is your content. You click here, you click on your content, then this is it. This is your content. You get? So now click on any video you want to add the cards to. You click on the video. This is the video I want to add end screen and cards to. Now pay attention so that you won't get confused. Now this is how the interface will look like. Now you can see here, you can see where your end screen and card is. So now let's start with end screen. Then you press on this customization icon, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you here. This is where the settings begins. So here you have to choose the type of end screen you have. They have so many options here. They have the one of one video and one subscriber, which is if you want to give shout out to a subscriber or someone that just recently subscribed to your channel. Then the other one is one playlist and one subscriber. Then the other one is one video and one subscriber. Then this one is one video, one playlist. So it's now left for you to choose. I don't know, this thing should open more. I don't know why it's that blank. Maybe it's network issues. So now I haven't created any playlist yet for this channel. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the one of videos. So now you have to click on the one you want. So now you click on, I'll be using this one. So now I have to choose from my videos manually, or you can just automatically, for the best viewer, this place you can see where you said allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewers. This is automatically done by YouTube. But this second one, this last one, which is the third one, the third option here says choose specific videos, select your videos or from any videos on YouTube. This one is done manually, it's not done automatically. So now for me, I'm going to choose a specific video to my end screen. Now I have to choose a video. Now this is the video that I have in this channel so far. So now I will choose this one, do this for viral video. I chose this one. You get? Remember I told you that I don't have a playlist yet for this channel. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to create playlist. But for this video, I'm teaching how to put end screen and cards. So now I don't have a playlist. I think I'm going to use my other channel playlist to this video. This is for tutorial purposes. So now what I have to do is I have to click in the next one, the next phase, which is the playlist. In here you can search for any playlist on YouTube, but you have to search your own because it is your channel you want to promote. It's your channel that you want YouTube to recommend. So I have a playlist. I have a playlist on my other channel. So I have to bring it here. The consequences he faced for capturing a mermaid. Okay, I've seen it. It just appeared. So this is the playlist. This one is my playlist. So I will just add it there. This is for tutorial purpose. Meanwhile, this playlist is not the same thing with the niche I'm doing here. So this is what I want to show you how to add the end screen to your videos. Now after everything, I've add a one video and a playlist. Then I will just save. If you don't save, if you didn't save anything, you didn't do anything. If you didn't save the changes, you didn't do anything. So that's it. So that's for the end screen. Now for the cards, pay attention. You click on the customization icon for the cards. Now for the cards, it's your channel if you want to promote. So you have to click on channels. You can see it here, click on channels. So now you search for your channel name. This one is daily tips. This channel name is daily tips. Abi?
Sorry, daily tutorial. No, I have daily tips. And this one is daily tutorial. So I have to take daily tutorial. So now I have to look for my channel. I have to look for my channel. Where is my channel? Where is my channel? Daily tutorial. You have to look for your channel and click on it. So you have to look for your channel. So here I've seen my channel. This is my channel here. So for now it has 2 subscribers. I will click on it. Now this is the custom message. Now let us say I want people to subscribe to my channel. So I have to write please subscribe. You can put emoji. This please subscribe. Wait. This please subscribe. In here, this is where you will set the minute where you want it to appear on your video. You can even customize it to appear on the first minute or first 2 minutes of your video. So now let me put it at the first 25 seconds of the video. And if you check here, you will see where you will see how the video will play. Now let's go. This is the teaser message. I can even say subscribe for more, for more, subscribe for more. You get? Or I can even say like and share, like and share. This is it. So you come again here and place it where you want the like and share to appear, whether it's the first minute of your video or first 2 minutes of your video. This is based on you. So this is you can do it manually. As you can see here, you have seen how how it looks like in the video. Like and share, the like and share have appeared. So you can see the please subscribe, you can see it here. So this is how it is. This is how to add cards to your video, and it helps your video to get you can even put in questions that can even retain audience. to keep on watching your videos, because the more they watch your videos, the more watch hour you are getting, and the more YouTube push out your videos to new viewers. So this is it. After everything, after the whole setting, now you click on save. Mind you, if you don save this thing, you are not going anywhere. You didn't save, you didn't do anything. You press saved. So this is it. I have add end screen and cards to this particular video. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to create playlist and how to use it while uploading your videos. Please see you in my next video. Thanks.